Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to give you the answer to this question, which is, can you have two Cash App accounts as of 2026, and how you can have two Cash App accounts if you want to have them. So the real answer over here is absolutely you can legally have two Cash App accounts, but there are some of the important rules that you need to follow in order to avoid any verification or security problems. So on Cash App, you are definitely allowed to create more than one account. So here, most of the people in the United States use their personal account and business account side by side for side hustle and for their personal use. So Cash App mainly cares about the identity verification and unusual transaction activity. So having two accounts itself is not against the rules. So to make the second account, what you need to do is, for example, let's say you have logged in this particular account, and now you need to click on your profile icon on the top right hand corner. Then simply scroll down here on this page and click on the option of sign out. Now when you click on the option of sign out, you just have to confirm it by again clicking on the option of sign out. Then over here, simply click on the option of add an account to this particular device. After selecting it, you just have to simply add your email address, or you can verify it with another way, which is going to be your phone number. So you just have to verify it first, and then after the verification, you will be able to basically log in into your second account. So that's how you can do it. Now if you want to create another account, for example, you want to create a business account, you can also select this particular option that says create a business account, and then you can follow further on screen instructions, like you can provide your legal name, your date of birth, the SSN verification, and bunch of different information about your business, and then you can also create a business account right away from your personal account application. So that's how you can basically do it. Thank you.